Good morning guys, it's Jenny here from Just Jenny Journaling. Welcome back to my channel. Well, today it's not a flip through, so used to saying that. It's just an unboxing of the February Vintage Ephemera Box from Rosie from Atelier. It came yesterday and I just thought I'd switch the camera on. It's very early in the morning, but I wanted to get it done today and upload it so you guys can have a share and see what's inside it. So I've got the coffee and the box, and let's get started. Now I've just realised, it took me a couple of months, that these stamps on the front of each box are actually the stamps that are inside, the wooden stamps that are inside for that month. Who knew? You know, it takes me a while. Anyway, that's my little box. It's beautifully wrapped, packaged, as you know. I picked up the scissors that don't work very well. Oh, and the camera's gone and we haven't even started. Let's see if I can get that off like that. And let's get started. I have started to use this box now. Well, I'll show you. Okay, let's have a look. Let's dive in and see. Yes, my first two boxes I've started to use. And I'll show you a little bit later. Oh, right. So first and foremost, let's have a look at our stamps, shall we? So we've seen them on the front. As you said, nicely packaged as usual. And this lovely tissue paper. And I have actually ordered some washi tape as well, washi tape sets, but they've come separately, so I haven't got those yet, but they're coffee themed ones. That's the first little stamp, little botanical. That is going to be so useful. Love my botanical. Well, we all do, don't we? We all do. So that's the first stamp. And is there another one? Here we go. And that's the second one. Do you see this one? Oh, maybe it's not. That's a little, like a ticket type, indeed type thing. Now, I was under the impression, because for the last two boxes that I've had, the stamps were on the front. Maybe not the case in this time. We'll see. Oh yes, they will be. They'll be on the acrylic stamps. Yes. Right. So now we have, what are these? Little. Like a little. I don't know what those are. Little cards, little stickers. There you go. Little selection of stickers anyway. Okay. Then we have our washi. Now let's have a look and see what we get for our washi this time. Wow, that's going to look really nice with this, isn't it? That's going to look really nice with that. I wonder. Let's have a look and see. There we go. Let's see. Wow. Wow, this is huge. that's the first washi. Their friends are there. With the friends, there are always laughs and shared happy moments. Their friends are like the small drops of water of the morning dew where the heart is. What heart is and freshens up. Interesting. I'm going to enjoy using that. In fact, I've just got some little music, what's the word, music paper envelopes I've been preparing. I've sent a journal, little traveller's notebook out this week, and oh, do you know what? Yes, and I've been using the washi tape from last month. I think she's popped my coffee washi in here. I ordered it at the same time. I thought it was going to be sent separately. So, here's my coffee washi. It's like a trio, a set. Very pleased with that. If you remember, I picked up that, I did pick up some coffee fabric, black, beautiful, it's very similar, that I really want to, these would be lovely just on different pages, won't they? Yes, I want to make some traveller's notebooks and, what's the word, traveller's notebooks and inserts with the coffee themed ones. And this is it like, they look like little wax seals, I think. I don't know if you can see that, not very well. Anyway, so that's the washes and my order. Ooh. Now, first and foremost, just to say, right, so we've got this lovely little envelope. And the first envelope has the post, these are, I think these are little transfers, little stickers and things, is the little French month card. And just to say, she's now selling these as a set for the year. I did ask, and she emailed me the other week, and I've ordered the ones for the set. Don't you remember? That was December, which I haven't used yet. January, I didn't use in the end. Didn't have time to use in my day book. February, so you can see it's got the Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, da. So it's a perpetual, you can use it at any year. And let me show you. So this is March, which I'll be using in my day book. So I've actually ordered, I have ordered the whole set. I'm waiting for that to come. But February, I'll show you, I've popped into my day book already. I have done a thread process video of this. It's a bit waffly, so I'm trying to edit it before I upload it. Right, so that's like a, again, that's a sticker, a big background sticker. How useful would that be? How useful would that be? Fabulous. Fabulous. To give you an idea that they're huge. Give you an idea, that is my day book, and that would cover the whole page. Cover the whole page. So really useful if you haven't, like me, managed to pick up any stamps. Oh, I love these botanicals. Love these. Love these, love these, love. Love that. Oh. Oh, I'll show you what's going on in my head right now. Just as an aside, I'm just finishing off the companion journal to Becky's. And I was thinking about using this, using that, and I think that would be really nice with that, don't you? Oh, right, let's pop that there. Let's pop that there. You'll see this soon anyway, guys. It should be. So, and I also used one end of last month. I've popped on the side here. If you can see, that's from my ephemera box from last month in my day book. So they're fabulous, fab. Right, so we've got these plums. We've got the little selection. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful as always. Little envelopes. Love. So the sticky notes this month are, wow, very, is it Art Nouveau? So that's the sticky months for the sticky pad for this month, little sticky pad. So then we also have the last, oh no, we've got our stamps to come yet. So the last, so these are all little tiny little trance, like stickers, yeah. Tiny little stickers. I should have my, so lots of botanicals. Fabulous, very lots of little bits for the kind of steampunk type thing. Musical. Be good for a guy's a gentleman's journal. Keep meaning to do one for my hubby. It's our anniversary soon, and what he'd love, because he loves all things football, he and my son. My son plays, my husband coaches. They watch it all. Anyway, he'd like a vintage type, football type thing, journal, which I think I may have to do for him. It'll be fun. Oh, this is lovely. This is lovely. Postcard. Gorgeous. Gorgeous. Oh, that's fabulous. Big transfer stickery type thing. And I've started to use some of those. That'd be nice just tucked in somewhere, wouldn't it, rather than using it. So yeah, hop on over and have a look, because she's still doing the, you can buy these boxes. Oh, these are nice. You can buy these boxes every month if you like, or you can do a little subscription for a little reduced fee, a subscription, so you can do sort of 2 or 3 months if you like. But if you just want to see, on Instagram she does a preview every month, and she's just done the preview for March. Looks fabulous. So these are the stamps on the front, do you remember? So that's that one, that's this one, and that's the little, like, apothecary type one, and there's a small script. Love these. Such good value. It's such good value. So there you go, guys. I hope that's been useful. That's the unboxing of the February Vintage Ephemera Box from Rosie at Yaaaay Atelier. Hop over and have a look if you fancy one of these, or even just washi tapes, different stickers. These, I can't wait to get the rest of these, because my Travellers, my day book, this is my last month in this one here. The last month in this one. And so it's February. The next one's going to be for the summer, spring and summer. I'm going to do a traveller's notebook with different inserts, and I think these are going to be on the front of each insert. I'm looking forward to that. Okay, take care, guys. If you've liked what you see, please like and subscribe if you haven't before. And thank you so much to the new subscribers that we have. There are 3 or 4, and I've forgotten to write your names down. I'm so sorry. I will in the next video, but welcome aboard anyway. Take care, guys. Have a good day. Bye. Bye.